Would you dare trying this recipe? It's a vibrant dish packed with flavor and health benefits that will impress anyone at your table. Start by slicing the spaghetti squash in half horizontally and baking it until the strands are tender. This nutritious base makes for a delightful alternative traditional pasta. Next, heat avocado oil in a cast iron pan and fry some tomatoes, seasoning them with sea salt, black and red black pepper, and rosemary until they achieve a slightly blackened effect. Then, create a stir fry with mushrooms, nopal, cactus, and onion, spicing it up with ginger, cayenne pepper, sea salt, and black pepper for an extra kick. For that creamy sauce, blend 1 avocado, a cup of sunflower seeds, and a handful of chopped cilantro, the juice of 3 small limes, along with salt, pepper, a touch of avocado oil, and water until smooth. Arrange the plate with the spaghetti squash at the bottom, layered with your cilantro avocado sauce, topped with the blackened tomatoes and the stir fry. Finish with a large basil leaf from the garden for a fresh touch. This recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Be sure to tag me when you recreate it. This recipe is low in carbs. Spaghetti squash is a great low-carb alternative to pasta, making it suitable for those following a ketogenic or low-carb diet. It is also rich in nutrients. It's packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, contributing to overall health and well-being. It also supports weight management. This dish is also low in calories while being filling, helping others with weight management. This recipe is ideal for those seeking a vegetarian or vegan meal, offering a wholesome, meat-free option. It is also very versatile. The recipe can be easily customized with your favorite vegetables and proteins, allowing for endless variations.